Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
On 21/10/2021 at around 3:13 in the morning, we received reliable information that some unknown miscreants have broken open the bank, Meghalaya Rural Bank at Rambrai, and they were trying to commit a robbery. Immediately on receipt of this information, we have immediately sent OC Nongstoy to proceed to the spot and to inform the Sardar there. The Sardar was informed, and immediately he, along with some of his villagers there, they have gone to the bank, and by then these burglars, they have already left the area, and our police team managed to apprehend them at Mauli village. So 6 people, at first 4 robbers along with the driver was arrested. Subsequently, we went again to the PO, and from CCTV camera footage, we found that another person was there who we managed to apprehend. So total we have arrested 6 people in this regard. The thieves, they tried to loot the bank. They cut the grill and they cut the lock and they entered the bank. They have destroyed the CCTV camera, computer there, but they tried to open the safe, but they could not. They were not successful. By then, when the alarm has already been raised, they've all left the scene, and it was then that our police team rushed and managed to apprehend them. As of now, investigation is on. We have registered the case, and we'll look into the matter. The accused persons today. One is Shri Plums Aim, another one is Shri Loren Nakhar, then Shri Laurentius Kharbani, Shri Ores Linkhoy, Shri Tiful Pilut. These were arrested.
They are all from Nongstoy?
Yes. The second, the 6th person we arrested was Tara Singh Nongri. Mostly they are from that area only. And one of them is a known cattle lifter also. So these are, we don't suspect any organized gang or anything. These are lumpen elements who just got together. So I'm sure that with further investigation, we will be able to charge this case soon.